Babies crying at night is a common challenge for many parents. Understanding the reasons behind nighttime crying and learning effective soothing techniques can help parents respond calmly and ensure both the baby and parents get better rest. Hunger is one of the most common reasons why babies cry, particularly at night. When a baby is hungry, they may become fussy and restless. Offering breast milk or formula usually calms them quickly. In the first few months, frequent nighttime feeds are completely normal. Meeting their hunger needs helps them feel safe, comfortable, and able to sleep better. A wet or soiled diaper can cause a baby to feel uncomfortable and restless. This discomfort often leads to crying, especially during the night. Checking the diaper regularly helps identify if this is the cause of fussiness. Changing the diaper before bedtime ensures the baby stays dry and cozy. Keeping the baby comfortable in this way can reduce nighttime crying and help them sleep more peacefully. Trapped gas in a baby's stomach can cause pain and lead to crying. This discomfort is common after feeding, especially in newborns. Gently burping your baby helps release the trapped air and eases their tummy. Regular burping after each feed can prevent nighttime fussiness. Helping the baby stay comfortable this way promotes better sleep for both the baby and parents. Gently massaging a baby's back, arms, or legs can help soothe their body and calm their mind. This gentle touch relaxes tense muscles that may be causing discomfort. The rhythmic motion provides a sense of security and comfort. Massage can help the baby feel relaxed and more ready to sleep. Regular, gentle massages can make it easier for babies to settle back down at night. Teething often causes pain and irritability, which can make babies cry at night. The pressure and soreness in their gums can be very uncomfortable. Gently massaging the gums can provide relief and comfort. Using age-appropriate teething toys gives them something safe to chew on and eases discomfort. These methods help reduce nighttime crying and make it easier for babies to sleep peacefully. Using a pacifier can help soothe a crying baby at night. Sucking is a natural reflex that provides comfort and helps babies feel secure. A pacifier can calm fussiness when the baby is not hungry. It can also help them settle back to sleep more easily. Offering a pacifier provides a simple and safe way to reduce nighttime crying. Patience, consistency, attentiveness, gentleness, reassurance, and understanding are key to helping babies feel secure and cared for during the night.